All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 12 of our January daily math. Number 1, write 3 multiplication equations with a product of 30. Okay, well, let's go. 3 times 10 equals 30. We could also go then 10 times 3 equals 30. And we could go 6 times 5 equals 30. And let's go 15 times 2 equals 30. There's a few of them there for you. If you don't know for sure, just let me know and I can check them over for you, okay? Okay, number 2. What number is this? 7 hundreds, 16 tens, 3 ones. Wait, they always do this, don't they? They always make this one a little bugger, and they try to trick us up every single time. It's not going to happen today, is it? All right, because I see this right here. I see 16 tens, and I know that that's really 160. And I know this is 700, and I know this is 3. So if I kind of break it apart like that, I know my number is 863, right? Normally you might go 716, 3, but this 1 has to come over here and turn it to an 8, which leaves your 6 and your 3. It's still only a 3-digit number, so it can be tricky. Okay, number 3. Fish Belle eats in 1 week. There's mackerel, herring, trout, and silver sides. How many more trout than mackerel does Belle eat? Okay, well, let's look at how many trout Belle eats. Trout. So Belle eats 50 trout. Okay, and how many more trout than mackerel? Well, let's look at mackerel. Mackerel I see is right here in the middle at 25. Okay, so we're going to compare them, which means, let's subtract. 0 minus 5, there's more on the floor, let's borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So Belle eats 25 more trout than mackerel. Is it caught? Gerald and his friends made 7 snowmen in the park. 1 snowman had 3 buttons. 6 of them had 4 buttons. How many buttons in all? So, 6 snowmen had 4 buttons, so 6 times 4 equals 24. And 1 snowman had 3 buttons, so 1 times 3 equals 3. Now we're going to add those 2 up to get our total. And there we are. How many buttons in all? How many buttons? 27 buttons. Okay, number 5. How many total fish does Belle eat in a week? So we take our 50. Our next one here is 40. And then we have a 35 and the 25. So we're going to add all of those together. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And we have 3 and 2 is 5, and 5 is 10, and 4 is 14, and 1 more is 15. 150 fish. Again, there's 50 and 40. There's 25 and 35. So 25 and 35 is 60, plus 40 is 100, plus 50 is 150 fish. All right, great job with that, boys and girls. We will see you tomorrow for day 13.